Okay, this is Friday the 31st of July 2026. We got our FAA remote pilot certification back this morning, so we're going to unbox this DJI Air 3S, charge it up. We have gone to the FAA site to register the drone, but we have to fire the drone up and go into the settings to find the remote serial number. Not the serial number that's on the box is not the serial number we need. So we've got to actually crank the thing up and get it going before we can actually register it with the FAA. So we will do that. Right now we're going to be reviewing these SanDisk Extreme 256. I've had a lot of these. They do great. This UGreen cable, we got two in the pack. That is a fast charging cable. That's a heavy duty cable. Looks like it's about 4 or 5 feet. You would think the UGreen charger is a 100 watt charger, fast charger. You would think it'd come with a cord, but it doesn't. So we bought the two cords. The DJI drone comes with 3 batteries, but it doesn't come with a charger. It does come with a USB-C cord, but it doesn't come with a charger. Everything has gotten to where they're making you buy what they used to give you. But anyway, let's get this unboxed, and we'll be charging up the batteries with that charger. Once everything is charged up, we will crank that up and get the remote serial number and register it with the FAA, and then we'll go do some flying. So y'all hang on until we get all that done. Yeah, it's not as simple as just open it up, plug it in. We've got to do all this rigmarole. It's got a nice little carrying case. Let's get the stuff out, then we'll see what we got to do. Okay, it's going to take us a while to get all this stuff set up, read the manual, and get this thing cranking. I doubt we're going to get it in the air today. You got propellers. I don't know what the deal is with all these different ones. We'll just have to read and see what all that deal is. You've got ND filters, which I really like. That'll make a big difference on video and pictures too. You've got 3 batteries. There's 1 battery in the drone itself. And so you got a charger that'll charge 3 batteries at a time. And of course we'll use the UGreen charger, the screen, and although it's going to be it's a new screen, the technology is good, it's brighter and everything, but it's a small screen. It's smaller than the DJI Phantom 4 screens, and I suspect it's still going to be hard to see in the daylight. But I think, and nice little pouch. Nice carrying case and pouch. That will make things much nicer to package everything back up. And it's got a screen over the cameras. You've got 2 cameras. You've got a zoom and a regular type of camera. All this is upgraded with upgraded collision avoidance. Also, we're just going to have to, we'll take that battery out and plug the batteries up to be getting them charged. That way we'll have all 3 batteries in. And what is that thing? Does that thing unfold, or has it got 2 propellers on the top and 2 on the bottom? I don't know. I don't understand this yet, folks. No, okay, these will fold out. It'll be 2. Yeah, okay, I see what it does. These 2 on the top will fold to the back, and the 2 on the bottom will fold to the front. That way all of them will be, I guess, around the same level. But anyway, so we're going to go ahead and upload this video. We're going to go ahead and get that battery out of the drone, hook up the charger, and then we will finish this video and get it uploaded. Okay, well, we're getting it charged up. We're going to sort of box everything back up. We got a lot to do today, so we're going to box all this stuff back up, get these batteries charged up, then we'll be reading the instructions and figure out exactly what to do if we got to update firmware and all that stuff. and get the remote ID to submit it to the FAA and get that get it registered before we send it up in the air. So we're just going to box most of this stuff back up for right now. You see, it's got two cameras. I don't know which one's which. One of them is a zoom and the other is a regular. And I'm not sure how much of a zoom yet. We'll have to figure all that stuff out. Okay, well, this will be a wrap.